ओ नमो नमः. Tips to teach yourself Sanskritam, Sambhashana Sanskritam ch. Part 10. Practice makes a man perfect. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. The title of this part 10, Practice Makes a Man Perfect, is a well-known proverb. Having had quite some introduction to avyayani, subantaha, tingantaha, krudantaha, sandhayaha, samasaha, and sandhita and tadhitaha, can we say in Sanskrit, practice makes a man perfect? May I suggest abhyasan naipunyam? That is, abhyasat naipunyam, meaning abhyasat, as a result of practice, comes naipunyam, skill or expertise. Or nipuno bhyasena, that is, nipunaha abhyasena, meaning one becomes nipunaha, skilled, expert, abhyasena, by practice. In both the phrases, there is no tigantaha or krudantaha, yet they convey the intended message very succinctly. Each phrase above is like an aphorism, a sutram. There is an interesting shlokaha which is sort of a definition of a sutram. Alpaksharama sandiktam saravad vishvato mukham astobhamanavadyancha sutram sutravido viduhu. Sutravidaha, those who know what a sutram is or should be, viduhu, know that sutram is what has alpaksharam, minimal syllabus, asandigdham, is devoid of ambiguity, saravat, puts forth the gist, vishvataha mukham, has universal appeal, astobham, is devoid of frills, anavadyam, is not difficult to say, that is, can be easily pronounced and quoted. There is a whole lot of Sutra Vangmayam in Sanskrit. Study of it would train one in composing such succinct phrases. Some well-known Sutra Vangmayani are Brahma Sutrani. Now here I am going to scroll the screen very slowly so that you can take a snapshot and note the website page IDs and put them in your Wi-Fi search, and then you will be able to get all these. Brahma Sutrani, for example, see https://sa.m.wikisource.org/wiki/Brahmasutram. In fact, most of the sources are from this sa.wikisource.org. SA stands maybe for Sanskrit. So, Brahma Sutrani, Yoga Sutrani of Patanjali, Nyaya Sutrani, Mimamsa Sutrani. Now, Yoga Sutrani, Nyaya Sutrani, Mimamsa Sutrani are really referring to the Shat Darshanani, of which Yoga, Nyaya, Mimamsa are three of them. The other three are Sankhya, Vaisheshika, and Uttar Mimamsa. Shulva Sutrani. This is at https://sa.wikisource.org/wiki/kalpaha/Shulva Sutrani/Apastamba Shulva Sutrani. These Sutrani actually quote the typical mathematical formulae kind of thing. So these are related to mathematics. Ashtadhyaya of Panini Muni. This is related to the grammar of Sanskrit. And there are about 4,000 Sutrani there. Niti Sutrani of Chanakya. There are about 300 Subhashitani. They are not really Sutrani, but Subhashitani. and the source available is https://essay.wikisource.org/wiki/chanakyaniti. The idea of mentioning all these is that reading Sanskrit, Sanskrita Vachanam, and memorizing and reciting Sanskrit, Sanskrita Pathanam, becomes helpful for advancement in teach yourself Sanskritam. This would also help building one's diction. One be well advised to study the following: Dainandinopayogini Vakyani, sentences and phrases of daily use. There is a book, Vakya Sahasri, detailing 1000 odd sentences of spoken Sanskrit, Sambhashana Sanskritam, which can be downloaded from the link at http://www.sanskritebooks.org/2009/04/sanskrit-daily-conversation. There are some 116 idioms, proverbs, etc. at https://slabhankar.wordpress.com. Meaning, this is my own blog wherein I have a link to 116 idioms and phrases. Add on the speech with quotations, idioms, phrases, and proverbs. That is the link. Listening to the daily news in Sanskrit would help both building up knowledge of Sanskrit and keeping updated about goings on in the world. So this is the link. And then Dr. Baldevananda Sagar gives a Manogatam, Sanskrit version of monthly Man Ki Baat lectures of India's Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. It becomes self-satisfying if one's speech is adorned with quotations, idioms, phrases, and proverbs. Suktaya. Su plus ukti. Sukti means good saying. Plural, suktaya. Some compilation made by me, again, as suktaya is, I have given that link to that particular page on my blog. Then mantra stotra pathaha. It should start even with the early morning, getting up from the bed. Pratasmaranam. And on that, see my video. Sri Ram Raksha Stotram. I have a video on that also. Athavrashisham. I have a video on that also. Mantra Pushpanjali. One gets links to so many videos at this particular search at YouTube. Devya Paradhakshamapana Stotram. See my video. This is by Adi Shankaracharya. There are hundreds of stotrani by Adi Shankaracharya. Atma Shatkam, Nirvana Shatkam, Gurvashtakam, Ganesha Pancharatnam, Mahishasuramardini Stotram. Like that. Every stotram is so rhythmic and lyrical. In a sojourn to Kanchi, I collected from the Shankara Matham a pack of 100 booklets, each containing some 20 or so stotrani by Adi Shankaracharya. That makes a count of 2000 plus stotrani, right? Now there is Shivatandava Stotram, said to have been composed by none other than Ravana. Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. One gets links to many videos at this particular link. Shri Suktam. One gets links to so many videos at this particular link. Subhashitai. A good resource is Niti Shatakam by Bhartruhari. See this particular link. I am scrolling this all slowly so that you can take snapshot and put that. Actually, Niti Shatakam is one of the triad by Bhartruhari, the other two being Shringara Shatakam and Vairagya Shatakam. This story is in Panchatatram at this particular link, and Hitopadeshaha are replete with many Subhashitani. Now, there are 8 volumes totaling about 8,000 Subhashitani, at https://archive.org details /Mahasubhashita Sangraha, volumes 1 to 8. And there are about 10,000 Subhashitani at https://essay.wikibooks.org/wiki/Mahasubhashita Sangraha. What one needs to do is detailed study of every Subhashitam, as I have done of 140 plus Subhashitani so far at my blog https://slabhyankar.wordpress.com. Bhagavad Gita Pathaha. See my videos at this particular link. Any number of tips may not even be a tip of the iceberg that Sanskrita Vangmayam is. Proverbial wisdom says, more the merrier. Adhikasya adhikam phalam. A student must keep reading and absorbing every bit of chaste Sanskrit. An apt Subhashitam says, Kshanashah kanashashchaiva vidyamarthancha sadayet. Kshanatyaage kuto vidya kanatyage kuto dhanam. Knowledge and wealth must be gathered moment by moment and particle by particle. How can gain of knowledge be if a moment is let go? How can gain of wealth be if a particle is let go? Shubhamastu.